Everyone wants year-round protection from pests, but most think it's just about spraying more chemicals. But what if the most effective method actually saves you a fortune by addressing the root cause of infestations? This smart approach focuses on protecting your single biggest asset, your property, from hidden, costly damage. It achieves this by breaking the expensive cycle of emergency treatments that only manage symptoms, not the source. So how does this proactive strategy, Integrated Pest Management, or IPM, deliver? We'll show you the principles and the proof. So what's the fundamental difference? Traditional pest control reacts to a problem. IPM is built to prevent it. This isn't a one-size-fits-all product. IPM is a complete system that combines multiple strategies, moving past just sprays. The entire approach is built on prevention. It focuses on making your property less attractive to pests from the start. But how does IPM stay proactive, and how does it decide when to act? It relies on two key intelligent principles. First, continuous monitoring and accurate pest identification. This means catching signs early and taking the right actions. Second, it uses action thresholds. Action is only taken when a pest population becomes a genuine threat, not at first sight. With those principles in mind, let's open the IPM toolkit. It starts by thinking like a pest to block their path inside. IPM professionals identify and seal the hidden entry points you'd never notice, like hairline cracks and gaps around pipes. The next layer of defense is physical and mechanical control. This includes strategically placed traps and screens. Then there are cultural controls. This means changing the environment itself to be hostile to pests through sanitation and moisture reduction. And in some cases, IPM uses a surprising tool, nature itself. Biological controls introduce natural predators to manage pest populations. Notice the pattern? Chemicals are the last resort, not the first step. Why is this so vital for your family and the environment? First, understand the danger pests pose. Rodents and cockroaches carry pathogens, and their droppings can trigger severe allergies. IPM gives a twofold health benefit. It keeps pest populations low, reducing disease exposure, while also limiting pesticide exposure. The benefits extend beyond your family. Fewer chemicals mean less pollution in local ecosystems and better indoor air quality. And because IPM is a strategy, not a product, it's highly customized. The plan for a restaurant is different from a suburban home. So it's safer and adapted. But how does it deliver year-round protection when the seasons are always changing? A true year-round plan anticipates seasonal pest behavior, targeting overwintering pests in fall and emerging insects in spring. But there's a hidden, long-term threat that spray and pray methods actually make worse over time. What is it? The threat is chemical resistance. When you repeatedly use the same pesticide, you breed super pests immune to treatments. This is where IPM's diverse toolkit is its greatest strength. Pests cannot develop resistance to a sealed crack or a well-placed trap. So the hidden danger is creating pests that are harder to stop. IPM's strategic diversity is the key to lasting effectiveness. Now, let's bring it all together and connect back to our first point, saving you money in the long run. By addressing the root causes of infestation with a diverse toolkit, you are preventing future infestations from taking hold. This is why IPM is more cost-effective. You stop paying for repeated emergency call-outs and prevent costly structural damage. Ultimately, it represents a complete shift in thinking, from reactive pest control to a proactive partnership in pest management. The verdict is clear. IPM is safer for your family, it's smarter for the environment, and it protects your property value. Professional services using integrated pest management offer the most effective and continuous year-round protection available. The choice is between a reactive cycle of temporary fixes or a proactive strategy for lasting peace of mind. Next time you look for pest services, don't just ask for an exterminator, ask for a partner with a professional IPM program.